English you can live in. My bank plan. I open an account. The screen glows bright. Checking for bills. Savings for sight. I transfer cash with a simple swipe. Digital banking makes it hype. I set alerts when my balance dips. Pay friends quickly with a few clicks. Interest grows on my savings stash. I check every fee, avoid a crash. Budget in hand. I feel in control. Money online. It's smart for my goal. From bills to fun, I handle it all. Banking this way feels simple and tall. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.